Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you the fractals compare between Bitcoin and gold. Um, as you notice in the markets, gold has been running crazy since the last 2 months. So fundamentally, um, every time the gold runs, it suggests the two things: inflation running high all over the world. The gold demand is very high in the East, in Asia country other than the US. Um, so the current markets, dollar keep running higher than another currencies, the fiat currencies. But gold compared to dollar, it's keep running higher. Um, Gold compared with the um, many other fiat, it already broke the all-time highs 1 or 2 months before the gold compared with the dollar, uh, and now it runs at the fundamental. The second thing is it may suggest that is something risky underlie the financial market. It could be a bank fail or the world running some policy wrong policy. Um, yeah, but I'm I'm a trader. I'm a trend following trader. That's based on the technical, based on the quantitative analysis. So the fundamental is we could read it from the news. You could learn from the past. But technically, the gold chart is look one of the best chart. So far, the monthly chart here look another best chart in this year. Um, why? Because it make the giant cup and handle pattern. Even the small handle button here make a reverse head and shoulder button for many years. So the last all-time high is in 2011, which is 30 years ago. Um, so one is broke out in July 20 after the COVID simul packet from the government, right? They print lots of money, like 40% own of the circulating money in the past is 100 years. It puts all the assets like a bubble going crazy. Uh, but the markets on even if one go up, it not always a straight line, right? It's gonna come down for everyone to get familiar with. Trader can go in and out and um, understand what's the next move of the markets, right? So it's really skeptical for from 2020 to 2023 for 3 years. So it stay around above the all-time high, make a very long consolidation for 3 years um, above the last all-time high. Then it form, but it never come too low, right? It make really, uh, if you look at the yearly chart, the high or low, still established, high, still established. And this cup handle, one is cup handle complete, and a small head and shoulder, revert head and shoulder complete. One is breakout, is that run. It has been running for 2 months. It break the all-time high almost every day so far. Um, so my view is the minimum running before it take a break is you can measure the head and shoulder here for um, it's good run for 30% from here. Currently, it's run up like 16%. So it could run up 10% more from here before I take break for the first wave. The second wave, you can measure it from the cup handle pattern here. That's from bottom. It's can go 60, 70%. Yeah, so after the first wave, it about 30% on so you're gonna take a break, and the second wave you're gonna go to 70% from here. So the outlook for the gold in this year and next year gonna be up and up. Is the correction gonna be narrow? It may follow the very well in Elliott way, uh, 5 ways up, and any correction gonna be by the deep opportunity. It could be 1 2 months correction and then keep running up. Yeah, so that is for the gold chart. So come back to the Bitcoin chart, right? This is a gold chart, is the monthly chart, and it's a Bitcoin weekly chart. This time, after it makes the all-time high in November 21 and around April and November 21, this year is broke its all-time high 69,000 in almost in a straight line, right? Um, very fast, very quick, even before the halving. Usually, Bitcoin broke the all-time high. It never broke the last all-time high before the halving, but this year it did. Um, so it shows the strength, but technically it's too fast, too quick. Many people can still in sideways, not enough money to make a base, to make a sustainable run for this. So, and also in the past, on the way do the correction before the halving. That's why in my last few video, I share with you my view of the Bitcoin goes sideways until halving or even after that. That's for short term um, daily chart. But for the weekly chart, um, this fractal, I'm not. It doesn't. Um, it doesn't tell you the futures, right? What's the Bitcoin gonna do? But it suggests the scenario. As a trader, you always think about at least 2 or 3 scenario: bullish, bearish, and neutral. Um, so this one showing the neutral scenario, which is Bitcoin will make undergoes the very long correction, even for years until the end of this year, following the gold chart. Um, one thing I learned is um, we have all-time high here, right? Every time an asset it run to the all-time high and hit it hit the resistance here and it break down. So the consolidation below the all-time high is very bullish. It's gonna make the kind of bear trap. Everyone think it's gonna go double top. It cannot go longer. Um, and then when it break out, the miss out trade, the breakout trader gonna jump in and push the price higher. It's a very bullish. But in another case, if it break out the last all-time high very resistant very easily, to me it tend to the fake breakout. It doesn't mean it's gonna be double top and done. But it's like that. It's not gonna go run yet. The thing is, it's always do that thing. It trick the trader, right? For inexperienced trader in the market. Um, so the the consideration in daily chart here is very normal. And if you follow the gold pattern, the chart pattern here, it may suggest it's gonna take a long time consolidation. To measure the time, right? So um, gold here is 2012 and 8 year of the cup, and this handle take like a 3 or 4 years, so like a half of the cup. So Bitcoin from this all-time high to current time high is like 2 or 3 years. So the cup and the handle here could take like 1 or even 1.5 year. Um, but the good thing is for the long-term investor, it could be a good opportunity to reaccumulate or even a sideways investor that don't want to run into the rally very quick here and don't prepare enough money to buy. So now maybe a good time to do it. Um, and I can only see it go down the door. It can drop to like 50,000. That's the bearish scenario of the that consolidation. It's about the 50 weekly EMA, the goal here, right? It come here. So this gonna show it's gonna go to from here like 25-30%, that is. But I don't see it's gonna run uh, after the short uh, consolidation. It's gonna run right away. Um, so yeah, so for the altcoin, I have another video. You check in my playlist. Have a view very bearish on altcoin. The money inflow in crypto now is by ETF in many instrument. That money it not go to the on-chain like crypto exchange, Coinbase or Binance. So even people have the lot of profit or they take profit from Bitcoin, they gonna not gonna buy altcoin like before. When they sell to the Tether or USDC or even USD, but in the crypto exchange, they're gonna ready, right? They're gonna buy a lot of altcoin to want to make more. But this time the money inflow into the ETF and trap in the traditional um, financial institution like Fidelity, BlackRock, uh, like the pocketing. So the money can be transferred between Bitcoin and USD, not flow into another altcoin. Um, that's why the Bitcoin dominant it keep going up and going up this year, and it's um, and it's gonna keep going up. Um, so when the Bitcoin correction, long time correction like this, right? Many altcoin chart gonna be broken. So usually after the long time accumulation in the bottom, and it break out, right? Usually it gonna run up at least to the half or to the all-time high. But many altcoin chart, after accumulation, it's not like Bitcoin. It's bleeding, uh, volume inflow getting lower, and once the trader lose a patient when holding altcoin, it gonna broke the low and go to the zero. Last month I sold all of my altcoin. I actually sold half, and this month I sold all of my altcoin. I still holding Bitcoin, and now I focus only on Bitcoin only. I hold a significant amount of gold in my another trading portfolio. I'm going to add it more if I see it's a correction here until the 70% run from the all time over here. Okay, that is for my sharing this factor. If any question, please ask me in the comment below.